Good morning. Welcome to another live stream. My name is Franco. This is Trading Futures Live. I will be trading the ES futures. Before we begin, please remember that trading is risky and you could lose all your capital, so please don't take my trades. With that being said, let's go over the dollar. 1 second here. There we go. All right, so the dollar is going down. We haven't been able to break this balance area that we have had for a month now, more than a month. We have made few attempts to go 1, 2, and then we're back to this area. Now, is yet to see, morning Natic, is yet to see what the dollar is going to do in the following days. But for now, let's play the range. It's curious to see that we don't have anything like of importance here to rely as a demand. Now the dollar is bouncing a little bit right now, but I don't want to be so biased today. Now the market is up, and the more is up, the better sellers it'll find. Now I want to have a very neutral bias. The intermediate time frame, still the daily, is about to change to more neutral instead of bearish. So I want to see what happens today if we are able to sustain this breakout to the upside. And with that being said, I want to play defense today, especially after the market is gapping up 1%. Okay, let's review my areas for today. I have this. This was a resistance at between 84 and 74. Right here, all these pivots on the RTH. Right. I want to see if the market comes here and I have a good read on the internals that a continuation is possible. I might along the market here. Then I have this one, which is yesterday's close and the gap, right? And yesterday's COT, which is 42.45. But for that would be the market has to drop. I'll tell you, it's not very likely that it's gonna come into play. It's gonna have to reverse the entire move. Okay, so areas of importance is around 42.80, 42.60, 65. On the supply side, I have 4,300, and then I have 43.15 and 43.40. This is the overnight high, overnight low. I don't want to, if the market opens up and it has a open range breakout, I won't be playing it because I have this supply right here. If we will be launching from here, probably 70, I will most likely will be able to take the breakout to the upside. But here we have supply right there. Okay, so we are off. It's important to say that rates, 10-year yield and 10-year yield are going down sharply. VIX is going down sharply. Everything is pointing to the upside. Okay, so I want to be mindful of that. For me to short this, I will have to have some extreme divergence on the advanced decline or something meaningful on the internals. Meaning tick chart is not going above 0 for like 15 minutes or something like that. Okay, I don't think I will short this area like easily. Okay, let's go to the stream tab. Like I said, I won't be playing a open range breakout. I'm gonna pass, and it might open to the upside and rip. But I have the supply at 4,300. If I would have at least 20 points of room, then I will be playing the open range breakout. But I might miss this one. Now all four markets are going up big. The Dow is lagging a market, is 0.66%, but Russell is 1.7 up, the S&P is 1% up, and the Nasdaq is 1.1% up. So it looks like there is an overall strength in the market. Advanced decline, as expected, is at 2000 plus 2000. That's a very bullish read. And it might be a boring day because if we end up just going sideways in this upper side of the chart, there's not much opportunity for. So advanced decline is supporting the move. Remember, we did have some news today, unemployment claims and stuff, and we have Apple's earnings in the afternoon. That's another thing to be mindful. I think the market will just probably wait for those earnings. I think we have one extra report later today. Um what is it? Do you remember, Ale? I have it here. No, it's factory orders month over month, but it's a yellow folder, so there's not much impact on it. Tomorrow we have NFP and unemployment rate. Bro, tick chart opened at 1400 and now it's plus 1000 and bouncing. There's a lot of momentum. Hmm? Yeah. Probably after 10, the retracement after 10 a.m. That'll be our trade. Still moving. So the S&P chopped. The S&P went through the 200 moving average. have not as nothing. We didn't even have a like a pause there. Yeah, the entire market is going up. Yeah. Yeah. Sellers are coming in, but have no strength. Look at the tick. Advanced decline, as bullish as it can be. So there are 2,800 approximate stocks being traded in NYSE. 2,200. That's the delta that is going up. So that means that probably 2,500 are up and like only 300 are down. So the vast majority of the market is just bullish. No, I'm not going to short. Yeah, why you would short? Look at the advanced decline. Look at the tick. No, it's just commenting. Yeah. Yeah. Well, if you're mindful that you know that's the wrong way to see it, right? Yeah, yeah. I in the past 2 years ago I would have been shorting right now. Yeah, just get rid of the mouse, turn it off. Turn the mouse off so you need to turn it on to take a trade. Yeah, do that. Look at my hands. My hands are tied up here. I don't have my hands in the mouse. I know it's just stupid. And look, if we don't take a trade today, it's fine as well. Like the open range breakout might work today, but the majority of the time it doesn't work. So you need to be very good at taking breakouts. It's okay not to take a trade. Yeah, of course. Not trading is trading. Not trading is trading. And especially me, that I need to develop more patience. Like my FOMO is bad. That is what I'm working on right now. Trying to get rid of my FOMO. I was with some friends yesterday in Discord. Let me see if they're on. My FOMO. FOMO. ¿Por qué te metiste? No sé. Estaba con Jorge viendo el FOMC. Y apenas yo ajá. ¿Acaso decías algo? Yo, toda la clase. ¿En serio? ¿Y por qué no me escribiste un mensaje, eh? No, porque yo le iba a bajar volumen a la iPad. Y tal, me la cosa. Yo. No way, really? Yeah. Fome hungry. Oh, fome. Nice. Hungry. Marico, me está acabando mi lujo, bro. There we go. There goes the setting. Yeah, a lot of volume in this candle. Big chart finally getting to zero. Advanced decline is still very bullish though. No follow through? Like a lot of bueno, I follow through. It's not breaking that 98. Yeah. There's the overnight high. This is the overnight. Yeah, no, you cannot rely on your feelings, bro. I don't think relying on your feelings is very useful. Like watch your indicators or your charts and just be objective. That's what has worked for me. Developing intuition comes with experience, man. I think so. Why would I be shorting this if TikTok hasn't even gotten below zero? Huh? Yeah, I learned my lesson. Now, if TikTok starts breaking down and it gets me like minus 600, that's another thing. But for now, I'm not shorting. Anyway, I mean, it's not an easy trade for me It's not an easy day after we gapped up 1%. Where are we gonna go? Like the range extension is getting exhausted. There are few levels because we gapped up. Did we have any? Did we have any? We did have, but something very, very marginal, bro. We did have a minor divergence. Wait, tell you. 937. Yeah, 937, 938, 939. Hmm? Yeah, it's a minor. It's a minor one. Yeah, advanced decline was also that's what we're commenting. Like advanced decline is had a minor divergence, but tick chart is too bullish. Look, it hasn't broken zero. Like yeah, ADD is from 2182 to 2140. It's not something like really real meaningful. I have 85. I think is a good level on the overnight. 85 to 75. So it's 10 points. I need to see where to take this one long. So 299.25 is not a bad entry. 299.25. We don't have location. Hmm? Yeah. Put at 99.25. If you don't want to take it long, that's fine, but don't take the short until something is really changed. Wow. Just me saying that. It's just me saying that. Look at that shit, bro. What the yeah. Bro, do you see that? I don't think I've seen that ever in this market. Well, aggressive selling as well. Minus 1600, and then it got bought up. If we break to oh 05, that seller is gonna be underwater big time. That was it, right? Yeah, I had 29 25, but didn't get it there. Didn't get there. Look at that. It got to 75. I honestly, bro, like longing in front of the supply. I either want to wait for this thing to be blown, or if the supply is going to start working, fine, I'll take the 80 if the internals are good. Dollar is bouncing a little bit. This thing should be dropping a little bit more. It's not. Bro, look at the advanced line. The fuck is that? Every stock in New York is green. Are we gonna short? There's no way to short here. You had it? 98. Oh, the overnight high. Mm. Mm-hmm. Why you didn't take it? Care of what, bro? Yeah. We were sort of like expecting this move, like sideways. Oh, no. Yeah, that was the entry, the 300 here when the big seller came, but it didn't get to my 99 25 49 47. Oh yeah, and I went through. Tick chart gets to 0 and gets exhausted. Let's see if we can have a break to the downside. Yeah. There is no short. There is no short yet. Not that I can see. Tick chart is above 0 consistently, and NYSE advanced decline is 2200. Impressive. Russell Dow, all of them are going up. All of them are going up. What? Uh, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put the 30 minutes. Yeah, Nasdaq is the lagger. Not really. It's 4 points, 5 points, whatever. It is sideways. It'll take just one medium seller to stop me out of this trade. If I get in, let's say 0250, just one seller that pushes prices to 95, whatever, is gonna take me out. So I'm not willing to take the risk. For me right now is wait to see if the tick breaks 0 and start holding below so I can take a short, or just waiting for my level. If tick is in position, then I'll long it. The advanced decline is set up already. It's 2200. Yeah, the ADD is not the one that is telling me what to do. ADD is telling me what not to do. Just don't short this shit. Don't short it now. We slept on our wheels, bro. That 98 was the one, but still, it's like just 8 points. Huh? It's not something like you will say, damn, left. estresado. Qué problemas. Bro, I think this market is just designed to fuck a lot of traders before it picks the direction either down or up. Yeah, I like 80, to be honest. So Nasdaq is leading its way down. Again, right? To be honest, I do like it, but I don't perform very well. All right, tick chart finally minus 400. Let's see if we can sustain these levels. whatever trade I take is gonna be a tradable reaction, right? Target is gonna be right at the next area, the first area. Probably a 2 to 1 max, or more than that. Nasdaq is now below the opening range. Do you plan to short this shit? Hmm? Bro, honestly, look at the tick. Till I have like a good read, say -6. Look at that shit. It's just bouncing. There's no momentum to either side. And I lean to the upside. I lean to the upside to the long. I'm not close to take a short, but I don't have the setup yet. All right, this is a moment of truth. A lot of sellers came in this candle. Let's see if we can um see if buyers are overwhelmingly more powerful than sellers here. If that happens, I probably will get in around 98 3/4 if we can sustain this up. Yeah, but now like buyers are weak. Like sellers are coming in very aggressively. I thought for a moment that we could bounce from here. Yeah, buyers are winning there, but not by much. Not something that I would rely on. Minus 400 delta to plus 30. It's not something that I like. Now we have a disconnection. The Dow is more bullish. Uh, the Russell and Nasdaq below opening range, and the ES is just flat at the opening range. I'm gonna use the bathroom. Good boy. Yeah. This is boring. Uh, that's fine. We made it. Did we make a new low? No, we didn't, right? No. Yeah, that's what I mean. We just came to the opening. Hmm. I mean, the market looks like it's losing momentum. It's losing a little bit of momentum. You see that? The chart hasn't gone above 400. So if we have a sharp move down, that would be the start of a sell-off. If the tick goes to minus 600, obviously if we move down, it's gonna start the sell-off. But we need the tick chart below 600, minus 600. Right now, it's losing is losing momentum to the upside, whereas before it was printing 900, 800 plus 600. Now it's like 300. Yeah, it's going up, but with less and less momentum.
Do you already have the first hour high?
No, 10:30 is in 8 minutes. Interesante está grande.
No,
Bueno.
listo.
Distráete más. ¿Qué piensas cuando corres, Ale?
No sé.
Can't keep up your pace, bro. I know. All right, so the picture finally creating more bearish sentiment here. Let's see how this goes. We're at 0.
I want the
We are having a better divergence now than the previous ones. You see that? The tick still, yeah, still bouncing off of 0. There's nothing for us to do now. And I probably, I don't know, I probably misread um this uh 96 entry. Like I was ready, but I wanted something like too sure, and we had minus 416 to plus 29 on the delta. Now we did not have a retracement. Even if I would have put the order there, I wouldn't have gotten filled. Yeah, waiting time. Bro, estos son los días that we learn how to be patient. These are the days that teach us how to be patient. These days are days I fall asleep. 10-point range. We've been in the 10-point range for an hour. Now we do have a divergence, bro. Big time. Yeah.
I was sell order at 80, 4308.
I don't know.
Orders.
Like new highs? I don't know.
High of day. Order high of days.
Yeah, we do
We
have
are
a.
about to make new highs. 80 is down. Tick is holding below 40
Yeah, but still positive, bro.
yeah, it's positive.
I don't know. I want to see something on the footprint. I don't.
Build.
I don't know about that short, bro. What's your? What is your stop?
My stop will be 14. Oh, wow.
You're in it.
What? Trade.
Bro, how are you gonna get into that shitty short, bro? Ah, bro. Yeah. Yeah, bro. There's is no brainer, bro. Trade is long. The trade today is long. Where at? That's a good question. If you don't have location, just don't trade, but you don't need to short. All right, I want you to sell me that trade.
80 and lower.
No, yeah, but what lower, bro? 2100. The fuck?
But it is trending down.
No, it's not trending down. Sideways. It's sideways. We opened up a plus 1400.
It was dollars going up.
Tick is not trending down. Tick is above zero the entire move. We have
It's
had
above zero, but it's not printing. It wasn't printing like anything impressive. It was little pushed down at least. Um, it was not a good trade.
it was a terrible trade. I mean, look at the tick. Look at tick. Tick is the one that is telling you we're not going down yet, or if we are ever going down today. Look at tick. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 minutes out of 60 are below zero and not like a consistent move. The max negative reading is minus 372.
Dollars, I don't know.
Bro, como que el dollar has been useless? Look at the dollar. It's dropping 0.7%. I know, but the correlation is mine is not 100%. Correlation is plus 80%, somewhere around there. Look, there is some selling,
Yeah.
but no follow through. Look at the previous look at the candle at 10:30, minus 1100. still the market is above that level with volume, though, with a lot of volume. It's not, I'm not gonna say I regret this 96. I wouldn't have gotten fill anyways. uh, my entry was it's not really a good rate. uh, where at, yeah, for me to enter this trade, it had to be a 98. And I don't like the signal, to be honest.
I was telling you about
Yeah, no, you're right. But one of the reason I'm not very aggressive today is because I have this area here. Now we're breaking it, and then the range extension is 43.20. So the fact that the market gapped up 1% fucks over my trading strategy. Um, it doesn't mean that any other trader cannot take this move to the upside. Probably my trading strategy has this flaw that because of my risk and reward ratio, I have too many things against. And yes, the momentum is to the upside and everything is pointing to the upside, but I need location. And one of the things that has fucked me over lately is not having a good location. So I'm making an extra effort to try to find a good location. Now, probably in 3 months when I get better, I will start taking these type of trades, or probably this type of trades. Who knows, right? But as I get more experienced, I can play more around with the chart. But right now, I want to be very tight to try to record in my subconscious mind that I need the freaking location, and location. After I get that down, settle, like, yeah, I just take in the locations, then I can start, easing up my rules. I don't know if I explain myself. No, I don't know who's that. Rod from Futures Trading. I'm gonna see him. I mean, I'm reading again the one good trade by Mike Bellafiore, and he says like to look for asymmetric trades that you risk x and then you make 3 4 times 5 times x. I don't know. I mean, your risk and reward ratio, bro, it's something that it has to do with your risk management, right? Or like fewer trade. Yeah, I know, I understand. Rod from Futures Trading. I'm gonna look into him. Let me put it on my YouTube. Is Futures Fanatic? Ah, there you go. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna watch that. But I don't. I think what I have works perfectly if I can execute in a better way. And I've proved that when I execute on consciously, and when I need to execute, I just make money. Um, like I said, on October was a very rough month for me, but every day, even though I was losing money, I was paying attention to what I was doing and realizing that I was making stupid mistakes, and especially with location. But overall, I felt very good, even though I lost money, because every day I was calling up the market better and better and spotting better areas and hesitating, yes, but spotting better areas and seeing and reading the footprint in a lot better, shape and asserting the direction for the day, which is very important for us as day traders. So I'm not discouraged because I lost money in a month. I know what I did, and that's what I need to correct. That's why I'm very very tough right now with just not taking random locations. And if I miss the move today, it's just I understand, but it's gonna teach me. It's gonna teach me. Next time I see these type of internals, I would just act differently, right? And to be honest, I do think we can just balance the rest of the day. We have Apple's earnings, um, and tomorrow we have unemployment, unless the market knows something that we don't. Probably they're anticipating a number tomorrow. Who knows? We did have this 296. I mean, this was not bad. This one, even the first one, but the second one was not bad. I was waiting for something like 85 or something, but we held the open. Just a continuation from yesterday. Bro, we're gonna be in the money on
Tesla.
no on PayPal.
Sold off.
Yeah, it's well, we have shares, but we sold the 55s. We're gonna have to give up our shares. Yes. Yeah, the market. That's those news events are for retail traders. Like hedge funds, they have this. They have departments that they know that number way in advance that we know it. Now, I don't think they know the official number, but they survey themselves. They do their own surveying or hire companies that are specialized in that. So that's those numbers. The economic news release. That's for us. That's why I don't pay much attention to what the number is because that's already baked in the market. Um, the only thing I looked at is what time they come and how meaningful they are for the market, like how impactful it is, so I can be aware of the volatility. That's it. Pearson, you're right. That's the right way to approach that.
Taking the 98.
Yeah, yeah, 98, 96. It was a no-brainer, but I was not very enthusiastic, bro. At least I didn't take a dumbass short.
It happens to all of us.
I know, I understand. Yeah,
Legal fiction.
it happened to me like not a long time ago, right? When was that?
I don't
Last
remember.
Thursday.
No, but I'm happy that I do this trade. That it was shitty trade.
Yeah,
I realized I
bonito,
learned that.
bro. Look at the tick chart. It's
Yeah.
just yeah.
We crashed in the 90s.
Yeah. Yes. Um, I keep a journal called like if you don't keep a journal, I will tell you if I can recommend you something. It's only that just keep your journal. I do um Edgewonk. Yeah, these are my stats for the week, and here it is. We can go to previous month, previous month. Yeah, you need to keep. You need to have this. You need to have this. Um, it's a must. Now it's like 180 a year or something. But you could do. Yeah, I do Edgewonk. Um, it costs like $170 per year, but 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 there's no way. Let me see how I structure this. What I'm gonna say. Um, if you don't journal, if you don't see what you do and where you're bad at, you cannot get good at some more aspects of your trading. You need to slowly change your trading until you eliminate your mistakes. And there are going to be other mistakes, but my goal is to make money even when I am in my C game. What is a C game? For those who have read The Mental Game of Trading, the Jared Tendler. If you haven't, I have a review. It's not as thorough as as a book, but I do recommend the book. So you can structure your psychology. You can know when you are in your A game. For me, my A game is just acting unconsciously competent, right? And that's the goal for everyone here. But since I came back in June, I haven't have any A game, right? Even when I make money, I don't think that's my A game because I am consciously competent. I'm watching, I'm thinking. So the goal for all of us as traders should be unconsciously unconsciously competent, right? But I have few books for your psychology. Your June. What do you mean? I had a terrible January. I stopped for 6 months. That's why you see here recovery period. I opened up a new Edgewonk. I have I have others. Like I have look, these are my numbers before. See that? Now I am here and trading the ES. I had to develop an edge on the ES and just get rid of the NQ because the NQ was very detrimental for my psychology. Look, I love the NQ, and the market has nothing to. It has no fault on what happened to me, but I got too hyper or too depressed with the NQ. Is the movements are so violent that I couldn't handle the chart. I couldn't handle the chart. Now, yes, uh, I had a good last quarter of 22, right? I had a good October, good November, and good December. And I came to the new year with some goals and like mostly BS, right? Instead of just focusing on my trades and my trading and getting better and better with on trading, I was focusing on the money and thinking that I wouldn't fail because I had a good last quarter. on 2022. um I just came with the unrealistic expectations, and overconfidence is as negative as fear. Fear sometimes will prevent you to do stupid shit, but overconfidence is the opposite. Overconfidence is right as bad as fear. Even it could be even worse. Yes, you could do, I think, up to 10 accounts. Yes. Now, let me show you this. This is my these are the accounts that I'm trading today, right? I have 22 accounts, and these are the accounts that I'm trading today. I'm trading 11 accounts. So these are virtual servers and another computer that I have here on my left on the back, right? And I use Replicanto. I use Replicanto for those accounts. Um, so um, but what I log in on the EDGEWONK is simply just one account. When you see here, 52 is times whatever, how many accounts I'm doing for the day. If I am doing 10, 11 accounts today, yesterday I was doing 9 accounts, so I made $450. Um, do I have a discount code with them? No, I think let me see. I might have one. Give me 1 second. It's not much what you could save, but I'll find you a discount code. Give me 1 second. But Pearson, I know you told me, I don't know if it was today or yesterday, that you are working on your psychology. One of the books that is not about trading, but I think is a must read for any trader is this. It's called Mindset by Carol Dweck. And if you like Andrew Huberman, he made a podcast. He made an entire episode about growth mindset, and like the entire episode is about this book. Now, I read this book back in 2018, and then I have reread it for at least 2 more times, and I skim through it anytime I want to, refresh something. But this is the mindset that any trader has to have. Like I understand, like anyone, like everybody that gets into trading is about the money and the freedom, right? Being in your house, be able to scale your business easily, not having a boss, not having an employee, not dealing with uh government or whatever, just taxes, right? But if you stop thinking about the money and you focus on your um trading performance and how to uh better your edge, or getting a better edge with time, with day by day improving at least 1%, like James Clear says in Atomic Habits, 1% a day. Or if it's not 1% a day, half of a percent a day, but a slightly improvement every day will get you better over time, and that is your goal. That's why on October, even though I lost it every day, like look at October, it was awful, right? But in every, like for instance, this day that I was like the worst day, this two, I don't know this one, but this one, the 19th, I read the market like a real pro, but I was focusing on the money, and I was losing trade after trade after trade. And then right after, when I logged in my trades, I just realized how shitty my trades were. Look at this. Look, like getting long here, adding on, no, getting short here, adding on here, stopped out, and then the market ended up going down. Um, shorting here, stopping, being stopped out here at the top, but the market at the end, ended up going down. So I was reading the market well, but realizing, look at all I do. Look at all I do. Pre-neutral candle, I log in, I go over my trades. FOMO trade, even though I had a better entry before, I stopped at break even. I tried this worsening my entry point without real momentum. So I realize every time I am, oh shit, sorry, man. So here's the trade that I was talking about. Look at all my logs. When I log my trades, it's not just logging them or just copying them and putting them on EDGEWONK. It's an analysis and analyzing what I did, and being honest to yourself. Like, look, footprint. I didn't have anything like really triggered my trade. It was just me wanted to trade, right? And then I do comments and I come back to them, right? And then when I have a similar setup, that thing comes to your head, right? Then here, oh, this one. Look at this long. This is an awful trade. This was an awful trade. Even though I was reading the market well, I don't think I have a comment here. And then I have this tilt meter. You see how this one is tilted to the red side? It's because I'm fucking tilted. I'm tilted because I was shorting and the market was not going down. And then when the market finally went down, I was trying to long. This is a tilt. This is a tilt trade. You see that? How bad it is? Look, I was shorting here, break even. Then I shorted here, shorted here. This is the add-on. Then I got a stopped out here. It went up and then started to drop, and I didn't accept that the market was not agreeing with my trades. So that's what I think every trade has to do. Like, it's not me saying it. It's like I said, I'm rereading the One Good Trade by Mike Bellafiore, and he says this in basically every chapter. Like, you have to do the job, you have to do the process. Forget about the money while you start. And it's not my start year. It's not my first year in trading, but it's like my renaissance. Like, I finally want to do it right. And if it takes time, it takes time. If it doesn't take time, well, I'm not gonna achieve what I want to achieve in trading. That's the reality. Yes, look at this. Look at this. This is my October. This is my trade yesterday, right? Do you guys remember my trade yesterday? Look, opening range, support. I got in here. I got out here, right? I record also. I record a lot of pictures. Yeah, you don't have to do that, but I like to do it. Then I spot this so I can come back and revisit it. What the internals were doing, right? Where I got in, what was my signal, what the dollars was doing. I follow the dollar closely. So I have it in a screen here to my left. Look, and then I make comments. Now, EDGEWONK. Let me see if I can find you EDGEWONK. What is it? um I was really getting serious into bless you, into changing another to another platform. But at the end, uh the cost of the EDGEWONK is so low for what you get compared to, for instance, TradeZella. And TradeZella is not that it is good. It is bad. Sorry, it's not that it is bad. I um I think TradeZella is good, but it's $400 a year. Um and um oh, look, I have $50. I've won $50
What?
because I have a referral link. Yeah. So, um, Pearson, you have your computer there? I'm gonna give you a code. I have a code. I have a referral link. I think is yeah, I have a referral link. Give me 1 second. See how much discount you get with that. Um, or if not, get this. If not, get this discount code. Oh shit, no. Give me 1 second. Let me know right away. Like you don't have to buy it now, but let me know if not, so and that's a discount code. Um by the way, I didn't know I've sold. I'm gonna put this link in my description. I don't have it in my description, but and I googled. I really um I googled and invested like couple days um evaluating journals, trading journals, and I got to the conclusion that the EDGEWONK is one of the best ones, and is rated one of the best by professional traders, not by newbies. Now TradeZella has a very good feature that you can replay your trades. Replay, right? Reply. You can replay your trades. Sorry, you can replay your trades. Um, but it is $400 a year, and it doesn't have a bunch of numbers that I want to see. For instance, you can see here um, SQN. So I learned this when I went to a class on Van Tharp's academy in North Carolina. I took a class there. I learned about SQN is system quality number, and I read his book about position sizing. That I have a video there about position sizing. By the way, that's a very good video. I know. Um, if you have questions after watching the videos, just email me or ask the questions here, because I think that's one of the best video I've ever done, if not the best one. Um, all right, let's go on. I have another book, Tom Howard, Best Loser Wins. It's basically his experience on how he became a better trader psychologically. Um, it is a good book. I really liked it. Like the book. I follow him on Telegram. He does London Open and US Open live on Telegram. Yeah. It's a 10 bucks. I think this stage is temporary. Once you get better, you actually I mean, everything I've learned from through experience and through reading books and watching videos, whatever, is that the more you focus on your trading, and less about the money, the better you become with time. And I'm proving it. Like I'm reading the market a lot better, and I still have a lot of work to do in my execution, in my mindset. Uh, there you go. You have a $10 off with my coupon code, my coupon
Nice.
code. Um, if you get to use it. For those who use funded accounts, I have a referral link on. I have Earn to Trade. I don't have. I have Apex. I have Apex. They have 90% off right now. If you'd like to support my channel, use my link. Um, is whatever sale they have run, um 90% off is for the accounts, not for the sorry, it's for the challenge, for the test, not for the lifetime subscription. Lifetime subscription I don't think is discounted, and I don't make any money if you fund your accounts. And I just make a little bit of money. It's like 15% of you buying the evaluation only. And the sale that they have right now is they have 90%, right? Ale, you don't know that?
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah. So it goes like this: 90% off the first month in any evaluation account, 80% off recurring renewing months, applying to all new evaluation purchase during the sale. And the sale ends on November 7th. If you're trading seriously, I do recommend you have the lifetime subscription and invest a little bit more money upfront, and trade this thing like you should be trading it with the right position sizing. Now, if you have the 25K, which gives you $1,000, even going with my one micro is too much money. Wow, look at that. What do we have? Finally, the tick chart is breaking to the downside. Oh, now is looking good. Get rid of this and try to see what we can do. Do we have divergences? How come we do have one? Bro, look at the high in the advanced decline. It's 43.04. I know it's not like very meaningful. Then 104, yeah, 1104, and then advanced decline is lower. Yeah, little tick chart, bro. Fuck. You guys top break even? Damn. You like this short 18, Ale?
You wanna take it?
I'm very enthusiastic, but advanced decline is divergent. But the only thing is that um 10 more minutes for the 15 minutes. I don't know. I will have to see something like plus 400 to minus 400, and at this time of day is hard. Yeah, I feel you, man.
I mean, if tick
I
were
hear you.
below zero,
Yeah.
was
Yeah, I'll wait for the 18 to see if the footprint gives me something. If not, I'll pass. I'll close this thing and we'll go work out. Yeah, I like tick chart not getting above 400. This is the moment of truth. 18.
What's the average PR for H?
RTH, I don't have it. Unless we could, uh, it's hard to have it. You don't have you don't have a way to have it.
The average has doesn't know we have.
Déjame ver. Let me see. Oh no, we already reached the entire range. Yeah, but that doesn't guarantee. It's just a first hour is 20, which is good. Overnight 22, 24 hours 48. Regular trading is 43. So 43, we haven't gotten there. Huh?
Halfway there.
We're halfway, yeah. Yeah, we're 26. Bro, tengo $47 ya. Tampoco no. Pues, sí, tampoco.
YouTube.
Pero YouTube no está monetizado. Está monetizado, pero no. Sí, exacto. All right, so this is this or next 1 minute is gonna be key. ¿Perdió? Se hizo short. Hmm. All right, so this is the key candle. Yeah, there's no aggressive sellers there.
Yeah, no follow through. Yeah,
No.
you had to follow through with that for the volume at 4 and 7. That's that aggressive buying, selling, selling volume, volume center, open, aggressive. Pre-pulled it.
Yeah, I don't dislike the short to be honest. Ale. Well, number one, we haven't been able to go above 385 and then 282 after we hit this low. We got to a resistance, a good sell off here, right? Like prime candle. I don't know how to say, like primer candle. Like they start selling here and they sell more here. Um, but we need to break this 15. Here we did have plus 281 to minus 104. Dollar is still picking up a little bit. It's going to be a tradable reaction. Going to be a tradable reaction. Now advanced decline is going lower.
It is going lower, but it is going not diverging.
It was diverging a little bit here on the top. Now it's hard for it to continue to go up because there's so many stocks. There is a quantity of stocks, right?
We do break below 50.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I don't think this trade is worth too much.
Hold 0.
Yeah.
And it breaks below and holds below because it hasn't been able to hold below 0 yet. Let's see if it prints anything below negative 400. It already did, but
No, we came to minus 600 now. Momentum is dying to the upside. All right, so 45 seconds for the next 15. All of them are doing the same. All markets. Short at 18. Yeah. That was the resistance that I have here, but there's no follow through. Man, when it goes down, it really goes down. And I'm looking to take a short now. See if this goes up a little.
I haven't seen anything.
No.
Oh, wow.
No, that's true.
You really need to. You really have to take.
No.
Alright. Take is finally below 0. Let's see if they can hold and print negative 400.
All right, I'm taking it. Exhausted or no?
No, we don't have the fun. It looks good. I think you guys will follow this. What is it?
08 3/4. Too much?
No. Minimum reaction.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this one. Doesn't look good. Yeah. Yeah, there's virtually no sellers there. Very little volume as well, and no sellers. Yeah. Yeah, I'm out. Not yet. Yeah, this is just a stupid trade. Bad. Very bad. But my entry was good. Look, my entry was not bad at all. I had, look at this. I had this candle. Look at this one. No, this one. From 251 to minus 146 here. And we did have a little bit of follow through, but this thing is long. Forget about it. We're grinding up, period. Yeah, yeah. That's it for me today. Could have avoided this loss, but no, we took it with no momentum and stuff. That's it for me. See you guys tomorrow. Later.